Yeah, they're like we're the hub and the spindle. So the crank would actually bolt on here. I'm not exactly sure, but
Yeah.
So we use Mastercam. Obviously, we use Haas equipment. Haas has been very supportive of us. Eventually, like to get more manual equipment in here so they can actually get their hands on and feel the table shake a little bit.
Yeah.
So the last year we moved in here in June. We went from 500 square feet. Well, actually, we had doubled it. We had close to 1,000 square feet because we took the next garage over and we had that mini mill and this. And then it was me and Darren and one other member that has since graduated. We do have one graduate who works at Peacock Tool
Okay. Yeah.
in Spring Valley, doing a great job.
Customer of ours, yeah.
Yeah, and they, he's doing a great job. We're very proud of him. And these guys all know it. They know the stigma that they have attached, and obviously the empathy is not. Some people say, "Oh yeah," but the proof is in the pudding, and they understand it. I mean, they've been
Work
down
hard and show up to work. That's all I say.
Yeah.
So fire hydrant shutoff valve, and then someone here made that?
A former lifer.
Wow. And
Former
it's being
lifer
patented?
invented it. Been certified by other organizations, but like Carlsbad already looking into it.